Hello, welcome to Fact 120. In this video I will tell you some facts about Amazon rainforest. The largest rainforest in the world. Here are top 5 facts about Amazon. First. Spanning 8 countries and 1 overseas territory in South America and representing an area twice the size of India. The Amazon rainforest covers an enormous 6.7 million square kilometers. Second. The Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees, representing more than 16,000 species, which is about 10% of all known plant species on Earth. These trees influence rainfall cycles throughout South America. Third. The Amazon rainforest is crucial for regulating the Earth's climate and is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because it produces over 20% of the world's oxygen. The dense vegetation in the rainforest absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. Fourth. Every minute an area of Amazon rainforests roughly equivalent to 5 football pitches is cut down. Shockingly, the first 9 months of 2022 saw the highest recorded deforestation rates in the Brazilian Amazon since 2016. Fifth. With more than 400 different indigenous groups live in the Amazon, which is more than anywhere else on Earth, Amazon is home to 47 million people, including more than 2 million indigenous people and around 300 indigenous languages are spoken. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any ideas, let us know in the comments.